Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set pin lock in oppo. So let us start our video. Firstly move on the setting icon and then you will see many options here. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. You have to click on the password and biometrics option. After that click on the lock screen password, and then now draw your pattern. After that click on the modify password. Now again draw your pattern and click on the user different password type option, and you will see many type. Choose a type which you want to set on the lock screen. I want to set pin lock, so click on that. Now draw, enter your pin, and now again verify your pin. And if you want to add fingerprint, so click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel, and here you will see the result. Pin lock is set in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.